Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to read messages without opening WhatsApp. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So there are a couple of ways you can go ahead and do this. The first and the easiest way is going to be by reading it through your notification. If you've gotten any WhatsApp message, then it is most likely to pop up as a notification. And all you need to do is simply go ahead and check your notification and read it from there. If you don't know how to do it, then there's another method that you can do. You can simply go ahead and turn on your airplane mode when your message is received and turn off your Wi-Fi as well, and then simply go ahead and click on the message that you want to read and then head out just like that. You can go ahead and read it completely, go ahead and get out of it, and then get into your Wi-Fi, and just like that, if you open it again, it's not going to be read for you. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.